This morning, Ruth and Eamonn make a return to the show. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these news. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Ruth Langsford and Eamonn Holmes were replaced as this morning's Friday presenters by Alison Hammond and Dermot O'Leary earlier this year, but the duo returned to ITV screens today. The couple took over from Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield for the half-term week, and fans couldn't be happier to see the husband and wife presenting duo this morning's. Kicking off the show, Eamonn said, "Good morning, it's Eamonn and Ruth on your screens right until Friday." Ruth added, "It's lovely to see you all. It is half-term week. I bet you're all breathing sigh of relief. No homeschooling this week." One tweeted, #This morning at This Morning Hurrah at Eamonn Holmes and at Ruthie E. Larpa at Eamonn Holmes and at Ruthie Eel presenting #This Morning at This Morning." Another remarked, "Normal service has been resumed. #This Morning. Great to see Eamonn and Ruthie back. #This Morning." A fourth, while a fifth shared, "Yay, Eamonn and Ruth are back. #This Morning." For the show's first segment, Eamonn introduced, "We're going to start with a bit of a laugh today. You know we're a fan of animals, talented animals in particular. Today we're starting the show with an animal so talented that his skills actually saved its bacon or lamb. Friendly is a 3-year-old sheep, but he is no ordinary sheep. He's a show-jumping sheep. He does dressage. He's very clever, and hopefully he's joining us now alongside his owner Denny. He's happy now. He's been in hair and makeup." Denny joked as she revealed Friendly could be Are sheep known to be smart? I thought sheep were a bit stupid, Denny revealed. He's quite clever. He gets to live in a stable while the rest of the field mates didn't quite. The farmer explained when it was time for the sheep to be taken to slaughter. The clever sheep showed off his skills by jumping from his pen into a. However, when it was Friendly's turn to show off his abilities to Eamonn and Ruth, the sheep was feeling camera shy. Trending, "That's an omen for things to come," Eamonn joked. "At least we're not doing spent a win." "No, but we're doing It's Behind You, and you know how that went last time," Ruth "There was nothing behind us, basically just a black screen. Anyway, it's good to be back," her husband cut. This Morning airs weekdays on ITV at 10 a.m.